what's up, YouTube? So, I am actually here with Sherigay. It's her last episode. She's actually going to take her driving test today. Say hi to the camera, Sherigay. Why you sound like that? She's like, hi. Yeah, I guess she says she's not a morning person. And it is actually early morning. I picked her up this morning like little after 5:30. So she's getting ready to take her driving test. How do you think you're gonna do?
Great.
How much are you getting?
Probably 90.
90? That's it? You're not shooting for 100?
I'm trying. Shit.
She's like, oh, probably 90. Okay, so we're shooting for 100. Okay, that's the whole point. All right. So anyway, before I get too much into the video, I'm asking you to like the video, share the video, share the channel, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. If you are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Glad to have you. Check back often because I have lots of videos. I have over 220 videos. So if you don't see it when you first log on, search for it. It's all there. Another thing I'm gonna ask, when you're watching the videos and those ads come on, don't click off immediately. Don't skip immediately. Watch at least 30 seconds, or at least let it run for 30 seconds. You don't have to watch it necessarily, but let it run for at least 30 seconds. Then I'll get credited for one full view, right? All right, so let's get into the video. All right, Sherry, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the wheel?
Left.
What else do you do?
Put it in park. Pull up the emergency brake and turn off the engine.
Okay, cool. All right, so in case you didn't hear that, if you're parked facing uphill, you turn left away from the curb. Put the car in park, pull up your parking brake, and turn off the ignition. Because I have people asking me all the time, what did she say? What did he say? I didn't hear it. So that's what she said. Okay? All right, so, and then they're gonna ask, you know, about the turn signal. They're gonna say, signal left, signal right, blow the horn, and press the brake. Press and release the brake, and that's that. Okay, now we're going to reverse from here, and they're gonna say reverse. By the way, the examiners are gonna be talking to you on the phone. They're gonna call you on the phone. They still not in the car with you. They're gonna have someone else sit with you, and then they're gonna call you on the phone to tell you step by step what to do. All right, so we're gonna reverse from here and go to the left. That's what they're gonna tell you. So go ahead and reverse straight back. And turn all the way to the right. Remember, wherever you want the back of the car to go, that's where you turn the steering wheel. Look behind you. Keep going, a little bit more. All right, that's good. All right, put the car back in drive. All right, so we're gonna straighten up here because the next thing they're gonna tell you to do is reverse in a straight line. So pull straight down, straighten the wheel, make sure the wheel is perfectly straight. Stop about here, look behind you and reverse straight back. And here you don't need to press the gas, just let it idle. Straighten the wheel though, make sure the wheel's straight, yeah. So you're doing this at idle speed, not necessary for you to press the gas at all. All right, stop about here. Now they're gonna tell you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So push it down, 20, and stop, hard. Okay, that's cool. All right, now you're gonna continue, and we're gonna go around the corner. So you make sure you use your turn signal. So every time they say turn left, turn right, you make sure you use your signal, because if you don't, you're gonna lose 4 points for each one. You're not trying to lose any points, so you're gonna make sure you signal every time. So we're gonna park here. So again, you make sure you're close to the right side like you are. Line up your mirror with the first cone right there. Turn all the way left. So you signal left, turn all the way left. And we're gonna roll into the parking space. And as you get past the cone, you're gonna straighten up and pull straight in. And that is actually quite good. Go up a little bit more and stop. Whoa. Alright, reverse. Straight back. And you're gonna reverse until your mirror is past the pole. Yeah. And back up a little bit more. Turn all the way right. And you're backing up until your mirror is past the middle of this area. Very good. Put the car back in drive. We're gonna pull up next to the curb here. And by the way, I am at the DMV now practicing for her test. We don't have an appointment because now the DMVs are actually taking walk-ins. But most of them are saying you have to come early. They're not taking walk-ins in the middle of the day. You gotta be here early in the morning. So hence the reason why we're here early, because she's gonna be finished practicing and on the line by the latest 7:30. So when they open at 8, you're gonna be closer to the front of the line, if not at the front of the line. And there should be no issue if you get to the DMV to do your test and you're walking. Make sure it's early. All right, don't get up in the middle of the day and say you're gonna go to the DMV at 2 o'clock for a walk-in. They will not take you at 2 o'clock for a walk-in. All right, go ahead and signal left again. Yeah, you signaling, cool. All right, so we're gonna pull up to this stop sign here and make a left. All right, stop completely. 1, 2, 3. All right, go ahead and make your left turn. Go into the right lane here. And then they're gonna tell you to make another left. So you make sure you straighten up here nice and easy. And then make a left turn, signal left. And go into your right lane. Pull straight down here. The examiner is gonna be in this general area. Somewhere along here, either this lane or that lane. They'll come up to you and give you your paper and say you passed your test.
And that's what I'm gonna do.
That's exactly what you're gonna do. Because you did great just now. Go up there and go around the corner and let me formally finish this video. So yeah, I'm only recording one go around because you see she's doing what she's supposed to do. So she's going to pass the test. Okay, definitely going to pass the test. Oh yeah, let me just show my son's new business. Go up a little bit more. In case you are in Broward County, go up a little bit more and turn. If you're in Broward County and you're looking for real estate cleanouts, junk removal, anything like that, my son Sean just started his business. Let me see, that's his flyer. So if you need junk removal, just give Sean a call. See, the number is there. Yeah, EAB Home Solution is the name of his business. The number you would call is 954-478-1373. Again, if you need junk removal in Broward County, call Sean Vernon, 954-478-1373. EAB Home Solution. Okay, so Sherry, how you think you did?
Great.
You did great. Yes, I feel like if you did it like that,
I'm gonna be perfect.
you're gonna be perfect. You get 100%. You will.
I will.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so yeah, she's probably more than likely going to get 100% or very close to it because she didn't really make any mistake on this go around of practice. All right. So again, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. Alright, cool. And I will see you at the next video. Guess what, people? Sherigay passed her test.
Yay!
What you pass with?
100%.
Did she say she was gonna pass with 100%?
No.
You did say that actually.
Yeah. At first I said I'm 90 and I said I'm kidding. I'm gonna get 100.
So yeah, she got her 100%. So now Sherigay is number 3 in the series that is actually done and have their driver's license. So continue to watch the series, watch all the people, support them. Big up Sherigay.
Big up.
Respect. Alright.